Hi mga kalindog! Today is unboxing my Christmas gift for 2020-24. Ayan. Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. So let's start our unboxing. Ayan mga kalindog, mag-unboxing tayo ng ating gift. Ayan, diba? Ito yung aking gift. Yung mga gifts ng mga dogs ko tsaka ni Jowa is already done. So let's get this. Ayan, first sa akin. Ayan. There we go mga kalindog. May unboxing tayo ng ating gift for Christmas. Ayan. Excited. Let's start mga kalindog dito sa aking nakuha sa work. Unboxing. Turulong. Parang pang bata na lang ang Christmas. Well, anyway. Ooh, kulay green. Ayan, I like it. I think this is pillow. Ooh, sir, beautiful. Kitten, ayan. Ano nga siya? Unan, ayan. It's a pillow. O, diba? So, ayan mga dito. Meron tayong pillow. Very soft. At, ayan ang ating later na to. It's a very excited moment. Ayan, meron din tayong ayan, regalo ng aking. So, let's see mga kalindog. So, let's sirain na natin para lucky. So, there we go mga kalindog. Meron siyang top. Diba? So, ganda ng balot to, diba? Balot. Uy, beautiful balot. Wow! Kaya mga kalindog, ating of course, niregalo to ng aking sister-in-law. Mahigpit. So, mahigpit ang ayan. Ooh, ayan. There we go mga kalindog. Meron siyang perfume, lotion, at ano ito? This is mousse. Ayan, ano ito? Shower mousse. Diba? Bongga green din. Ang ganda. O gold. Diba? Alam nila na mahilig ako sa gold. There we go. At ayan ang pang last mga kalindog, of course. My favorite. Tiyara! Whoops! Ayan. Meron tayong necklace na gold. Beautiful. Ayan. Ayan guys. Beautiful na necklace. Diba? Ginto. Diba? So, tatry natin to later. This is you know that? Ayan, favorite. Diba? Parang princess. So, ayan ang ating unboxing for Christmas for today. So, bye! They're all the gifts from the baby's dog. Ayan, they're waiting now already. So, give them Geschenk or their gift.
Okay, which one want to start? Huh?
Open it, yes.
One by one. Komm mal her, Douglas. Wer möchte zuerst? Ha? Komm mal her. Mama macht mal auf da. So, komm mal her.
Yes.
Ganz langsam. Okay, da ist die ganz langsam. Okay, dann Douglas, komm mal her. Douglas, komm mal her. Das ist deine.
Das von
Das ist
Douglas.
Douglas.
Wow.
Guck mal, das ist Douglas. Nur Douglas. Dann komm, schnapp's dir. Ja, schnapp dir dein großes Spielzeug. Ja? Da ist dein Spielzeug.
Und
Ne? Das geht? Guck mal hier.
das
Wo
von
ist das
Dustin.
Ding?
Wow.
Wo ist das Ding? Da ist das Ding. Ja? Alles
Und for Lucky,
Da, hier ist da hinten.
That is for Lucky. Give it to
Lucky,
Lucky.
komm mal her. Guck mal hier. Was ist das? Was ist das? Nee, Douglas, das ist Lucky. Guck mal hier.
Und Vicky?
Und Vicky? They get already. Was soll das? Hier ist Vicky. Wo ist
Yeah,
Vicky?
where's for Vicky? Yeah.
Was Vicky wollte?
Alle geschenkt. So, Merry Christmas. So there we go mga kalindog. Thank you. Thank you for watching my Christmas unboxing. Bye. Merry Christmas to all. Bye. Happy New Year too. Bye.